Hello, going over this 2022 all-wheel drive Transit crew van. Roost Vans installed a core build on this van, and we maintained the airbags on the factory headliner with factory seating and installed our package on the rear of the van, where we put in our upper mounting system as well as our lower mounting system and extended the lower mounting system all the way to the front. Our mid-wall treatment with fabric wrap panels and inset panels for side-to-side sleeping at a later date. We also went ahead and installed our power panel, power station cabinet with a Goal Zero 1500X that recharges off the engine battery, as well as solar at a future date if desired, and shore power. Now our core wiring package has our power panel and switch plate. That switch plate can be removed and installed on the front of a cabinet at a later date. We have our engine recharge, power supply, as well as shore power, and we have our lighting controls for the ceiling, as well as the S-bar heater control. Now the lower mounting system will allow for installing a bed, our Fukit bed, as well as our strap-up bed on the top. We also installed coin floor and trimmed that out to the factory floor that already came with the vehicle. But this serves as a perfect core build for starting off with in your van adventures and building it up yourself with our DIY products online. Visit us at roostvans.com.